Pastor Ray. Recently, pinag-pray natin yung kanyang condition and praise the Lord. And okay na okay po. Piniglas ng Diyos.
Before I sing, I would want to share why this song is so personal to me. A few months ago, I was hospitalized and doctors found a pulmonary mass. I had to face the possibility of cancer. The waiting, the pain, and the uncertainty brought many tears. Fear tried to take over. I felt weak, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. But in that weakness, God met me in the most tender way. He gently began to rebuild my heart. He rekindled a fire in me that had grown dim. Suddenly, His word became alive again. Worship became sweeter. Prayers became deeper. I started to see His hand in every detail of my day. My relationship with Him was completely renewed. Every quiet moment with Him reminded me that I was never alone. He made me realize I was not surviving those days because I was strong. I was surviving because Christ was carrying me. It wasn't my courage. It wasn't my faith. It wasn't my strength. It was Christ in me. Romans 13:8 says, "For whether we live unto the Lord, and whether we die unto the Lord. Whether we live therefore or die, we are the Lord's." So whether in life or in death, may He alone be glorified.